Good morning, human physiology students. I wanted to show you how to use PubMed for your assignment, for homework, for discussion, for after week 3 and for week 4. Here I am on the University of Libraries webpage. I am trying to get to PubMed. I have it bookmarked here. Remember though that I showed you how to get to research guides and human physiology, and that if you click on PubMed from here, you're going to get the PubMed that the U of O library has a link for, and you can tell that it has the UO link because it has this ORUOlib in the URL here. If you just searched Google for PubMed and got to it, it would look exactly the same, but it wouldn't have fine text in the results, and that's what you'll need. So you're going to run a search. One of the searches that we did was about using proprioception training in college athletes for handle it to see if it would help with ankle sprains, and the search was something like this: ankle sprain. And remember, I capitalize "and" because I want to make sure that it knows that I want to get this word as well. And then I did college or student athlete and sprinter, but I wanted those all to be the same, so I'm going to put a parenthesis here. And then because I think so, and then that's that whole concept: college and student athlete sprinters, and I want sprinter, sprinters, or maybe even sprinting, so I'm going to truncate. So I'm going to do sprint, and then I'm going to say I also want the proprioception training. And training or exercise, and I can truncate that as well. I could probably also do training or trainings, although I'm not sure how helpful that would be. So do I have the parenthesis at the end? Yes, and let's see what I get. Run the search. No items found. How interesting. So let's try to make this a little less specific. So I'm going to take out the concept of sprinting. So I just want college or student athlete. And I don't need the double parentheses. And did I spell proprioception, training, or exercise? And let's see how that goes. So if I take out the sprinting, then I get a set of 11. And if I scroll down, those do look like the sorts of things that I'm hoping to find. Let's take a look at some of these. This is concussion in sports, update of the literature view. How about this surface balance training in college athletes? Let's see what this record shows us. I've clicked on that, and it has the abstract. Also, I want you to see this publication types mesh terms, and then these 2 arrows down here. There's 2 arrows here, 2 arrows there. If I go up a little bit, there are also an author information. There's also information there, not the double arrow, but a plus sign. So let's take a look at this publication types, and I want you to see that it shows me that this is a comparative study, specifically a randomized controlled trial. And here are the medical subject headings, mesh terms that I've either talked about or I will talk to you about. And you can see it has proprioception as something that they consider primary to this article. Okay, and see also when we get to this page, we have fine text, so we can see if we own this. And remember, I have to sign in. And I can see that we own it through Journals at Ovid. The other thing that I wanted to remind you is that at this point too, I could also do a save to Mendeley. I probably won't be signed in, so I'll have to sign in. So let me do that. And now it's going to let me save that there. And after it's saved, then I can open it in Mendeley. And then if I go to my recently added folder, and it's going to take a while to update because I have a lot here. So it would show up. There it is. The effects of unstable surface balance training on college students. Okay, that's all I have for you today.